What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and thank you guys so much for clicking into this video and checking your girl out today. Today, y'all, we will have a great time, a great unboxing, because your girl got Ipsy PR. Say what? It feels so good to be recognized, guys, for all of my hard work that I do put in with YouTube. So Ipsy, I really appreciate you guys contacting me and sending me PR. That means like the world to me, guys. This is like so amazing. So we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy PR box today. So if you want to see what your girl got, stay right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're going to do something short and sweet. We're going to be unboxing Ipsy PR box. I have not opened the box yet, guys, so I don't know what's in it, but I'm very eager to get into this baby. I did not watch any other unboxings of the PR boxes because I wanted to be truly surprised. So that's what we're doing today. Before we go any further, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. I really do. Today's drink is just a little bit of Coke Zero. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. This is how it came packaged to me this month in this big box. This is my first time getting PR from Ipsy. And y'all, what a way to start off the new year, right? Oh God. Let's cut this baby open. How are you guys enjoying this weather? I am like loving all of the cool weather we've been getting. It's like a nice change from all of that heat and humidity, isn't it? Okay, so when we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. So we do get this pretty large Ipsy box right here. Also, outside of the box, I got this little tablet. I don't know what this is, so let's open it and see. All right, so it has like a little Ipsy pen with it. I do love a good pen. And on the inside, oh, it's a calendar, like a little planner. Okay, look at that, guys. It's a planner. And if y'all know me, or if you've been following me on Instagram, y'all know that I absolutely adore planners. And it matches my shirt. Ah! And we also got something in this box here. I don't know if this comes in the regular. Oh my goodness. This matches my shirt too. Oh! All right, so this is what it looks like. This must be like a little tumbler. Well, it's glass. That's what it looks like on the inside. And can we do hot and cold in here? You can do hot or cold liquids in here. Has a twist cap. It's glass. It's beautiful. It matches my shirt. I'm very excited to get this. Oh my goodness. That was a nice little added treat. So let's get this one right here cracked and opened. When we open it up, that's what we're looking like on the inside. So they did send over their Ipsy Glam bag. This one is the $12 per month subscription, guys. This is one of my favorite subs, the $12 bag. You get 5 deluxe sample size, even full size products in here each month. I do have a link down below if you guys want to sign up for Ipsy. So we got this one, and then we got the Glam bag. So I'm going to try the Glam bag plus. I'm going to try to separate things really quick so that I know what goes with what. The theme for this month is Dream It. And first thing we have is going to be from Cover FX right here. I also want to tell you guys I've got a new camera coming and a new computer. So our videos are about to get like next level fire. Yes. So Cover FX, we do not get any prices. I don't see any prices in here, so I won't know any of the prices, guys. So I'm sorry. I'll just quickly unbox this and show you guys what I got. So this is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. And this is, let's see what it says. It's a pearlescent cream, perfect for your eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want a veil of shimmer. This unparalleled blendable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. And that color is gorgeous. That's the applicator right there. And let's just swatch a little bit on the back of my hand. And that's what we're looking like right there, my loves. So if I get any repeats in my bags, I will be putting them in a giveaway. That's what that looks like. And I'm very happy for this. I love Cover FX. So then we have from Stila. Oh, okay. This is the Stay All Day liquid lipstick right there. And this is in the shade Patina. I'm not going to open this. I hope you guys are able to see the color. I'm not going to open this because I know that I won't use this one probably. It is a beautiful color. It's like a pinky mauvey color, but I probably will not use this. So I don't want to be wasteful. I will just keep this for a future giveaway. Then we have from Oma Drama Bomb. I did pick this in, I think I added this on because I wanted to try this product out. This is the Drama Bomb mascara from Oma, I think it's pronounced, Beauty. And this is what that looks like right there. Love the packaging. Let me check the wand out. Ooh, okay. So that's a nice wand if you want to get some real volume. So I'm excited about this. I cannot wait to use this. I've heard so much about this brand. I think it's also Black owned. So I'm very happy to see this in Ipsy. And then we have this from Origins. And this is the Original Skin Retexturizing Mask right here. It is Rose Clay Mask. In here you get 15 milliliters of product. I would read the back, babe, but I can't see that, y'all. I don't even have my contacts in it. I'm not trying to struggle to read it. But it is a retexturizing mask that I will definitely check out. This is a little sample size, deluxe size. So yeah. And that was all I got in this bag. I am also thinking that this is supposed to be in there too. And this is from Youth to People. Oh, Lord. I'm not even going to pronounce this, but it's Prickly Pear Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. I'm going to put it right there so you guys can read it really quick, girl. All right. So in here you get 3.7 milliliters of product. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a cute little baby bottle. This is cute. So this is what it looks like, guys. I've been hearing a lot about this Youth to People product. So I want, oh, it doesn't really have a scent, which I like. So I want to try it out and see if I like it because we've been getting this a lot in subscription boxes. So I am happy for that. So that was all that was in our little Glam bag. So let's move along to the Glam Bag Plus. Now this one is going to be the $25 box, guys. It's supposed to get 5 full-size products in this box. And it's supposed to have a value of $120. It did come in this little bag this month. This is a cute little drawstring bag right here. And yes, let's see what we got in the Glam Bag Plus. All right, guys. So first thing that I'm pulling out is from Celia right here. This is a soothing hand and body butter with lavender and oatmeal. Ooh, and the packaging is so pretty. You get 75 milliliters of product in here, and it says it's a luxurious hand and body butter formulated with Canadian botanicals, lavender, and oatmeal to deeply nourish and soothe the skin. Is it sealed? It does have a safety seal, so I won't open it, but y'all, I am very excited about this product. I haven't seen this in Ipsy before. Okay. And then, loves, from Wonder Beauty, this Lip Retreat Oil right here. This is pretty cool. I don't think I've received a lip product from Wonder Beauty before, so I'm very intrigued about this. Let's see. Oh, so it's just like the mascara. That's how it looks right there, guys. It's packaged just like the mascara. And when we open it up, ooh, that is the applicator right there. Let's put some on. Ooh. Okay, now, oh wait, let me smell it. It doesn't have a scent, but this feels amazing on my lips. As you can see, it gives me a nice shine, and it's a nice lip retreat. I'm definitely looking forward to trying this product out, my loves. You get 10 milliliters of product. I will definitely keep this right next to my table so that I could keep these lips well moisturized. Then we received from Kinship this Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. I don't know, maybe this was supposed to be in the Glam bag, I think. So let's take this out. You do get 0.53 ounces of product in here. This is clean and cruelty-free vegan, and it is a cleanser. Let's see. Does have a safety seal, so I won't open it. I'm happy in trying out a gentle enzyme facial cleanser. Okay, I like cleansers, y'all know that. So I'm happy about this. I think this may have been a Glam bag item, actually. Then we received from Ipsy right here, and this is the Nuisance Quartet right here. I do love Ipsy's products. This is in Sugar Blossom. This is the packaging right here, my loves. And I'm gonna say this is a highlighting and blush palette. Ooh, okay. Oh, girl, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. So these are the colors right here. I'm gonna say that this is a bronzing highlight and blush palette right here. So this would be your bronzer, blush, and 2 highlights right there. So this is cute. I've never tried a highlighter blush thing from Ipsy before. I'm not sure if these shades gonna go with your girl, but we're not gonna swatch it because I don't want to be wasteful just in case I don't use it. All right, and then we have one more product, and then this is the last product right here, my loves. This is from LaRousse Beauty, and I think this is a brush set because I think I picked this as one of my items in my Glam bag plus. So let's open it and see. I know these are very expensive, like $150, I think. Ooh, there we go. So I did get some like this in black before. This is a 5-piece brush set. Let's take them out. So it does have like this denim colored handle, which I do love. The first brush right here is the flat powder brush. They feel really nice, very pretty and soft. Love that. Then we have the blush brush right here. Beautiful bristles. Love it. Love it. And the handles feel so nice, easy to grip. I like that. We get this tapered blending brush right here. The highlighter brush. I love a highlighter brush. Oh yeah, this is perfect for highlighting right up on those cheeks and down your nose. Love it. And then the last one is the flat shading brush right here. All right, so these 5 brushes are right here as well. So yes, that was my final product in my Ipsy PR package, the first one, and I'm so excited about this, guys. I think that for the most part, the products were okay. It was really skincare heavy this month, so I'm hoping next month will be a little bit more makeup. But I did get, I think, well, the blush was the only makeup product from that one. So let's see. Oh, well, the bag was more of makeup. We did get these 4 makeup products total out of all the products I received. I am pleased with this box, guys. I mean, I'm on Ipsy's PR list. Oh my God. So yes, I think it was a pretty good start to the new year. Let me know down below in the comments what your thoughts are on this box. And that's all that I have, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments and on my next video. Make sure if you haven't done so already, you are subscribed to me. You're following me on Instagram and Twitter. All of the links for Ipsy will be down below as well. And you guys have a wonderful day. I will talk to you later. Bye.